Hello people, first of all, Jai Shri Ram and congratulations to each one of you for the Ram Mandir inauguration. Okay, so let's start with our daily question, that is 645 set mismatch, and in this we'll have a set of integers s which originally contains all the numbers from 1 to n, and unfortunately due to some error one of the numbers in s got duplicated to another number in the set, which results in repetition of one numbers and loss of another number. Okay, and we'll be given an integer array representing the data status of the set. After there, and we have to find the number that occurs twice and the number that is missing and return them in the form of array. Okay, so let's, in the first example we were given 1 2 2 4, so from 1 to n we are having 2 twice and 3 is missing from the array. Similarly in the second case we are having 1 1 and so 2 is missing from the array. Okay, so what we can do is we can simply use a hash map. So first let's have n equal to the length of the nums dot length, and let's then have a map of integer and integer. Okay, so map that is equal to our new, let me just zoom in, yeah, new hash map. Okay, so now let's put all the values into the map. That for int y equal to 1, y less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Okay, so what we'll do, map dot put I comma 0, that means they are occurring at least once. And oh sorry, okay, so now let's traverse in the nums again. Let's traverse in the num. Okay, so that for int num n nums, what we'll do here is we'll update the value of the map. That map dot put, what we'll do, num comma map dot get num, and we'll be decrementing it by 1, so that what we can have is the unique value. Okay, so and it will help us in getting the duplicate. Okay, so let's say for int have the duplicate. Okay, duplicate equal to, let's say 0, because it's obviously not present in the array, and missing also 0. Okay, so now let's traverse in the map. That for int key in, let's say, map dot key set. Okay, so what we'll be doing is here we'll be checking that if map dot get key is equal to -1, that is that element is repeated. So what we'll be doing, we'll be setting our duplicate equal to key, and then what we'll be checking, that if map dot get key is equal to 1, that is that element has not been in the array, is not in the present in the array. So what we'll be doing, missing is equal to key, and after these things what we'll do, we'll just simply return a new int array of duplicate. Just keep in mind the way in which we have to return duplicate comma missing in the order which we have to return. Okay, so now let's run it. Okay, map dot key set. Okay, okay, so let me just check what went wrong. It returns 4 comma 0. Okay, it should not return that. Let me just go through the code once again. Okay, so there was some issue with the logic here. I was doing -1 and 1, but I have to do 0, because if the element is not present, then the value of that will never get updated. And if the present is twice, so its value will become -2, because we are subtracting -1. Okay, so that's why it got accepted this time. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today, and thank you for watching. And once again, Jai Shri Ram.